everyone, welcome back. So first I'm gonna go in with my ABH eye base, and I'm gonna use that with my middle finger and pat that down on my eyelid. So I did my eyebrows off camera. You can go check out my video on how I do my brows. And I did my skincare also off camera with my Arbonne brightening kit. Blend that down with my Real Techniques blending sponge, and I'm going to make sure everything is seamless so I have a perfect base for my eyeshadow. Going with my Morphe 25L palette, going in this yellow shade, and I'm gonna pack that down the inner corner of my eyelid. And while I'm packing that down, make sure that you're also blending it, so when you add the next shade, it's very seamless. Now this is very important to having the perfect eye color. Very in-depth video on how to blend eyeshadow and have a perfect blending of shades. I'm going to show you guys how I do the second eye. Now I'm going to go in with this orange shade and do the same way that I did with the yellow one, but this time I'm going to be very precise in blending the two shades together so it looks very seamless and doesn't look like it's like blocked on, so it looks like it was made together, if you can understand what I'm saying. Achieve the proper blending skills, it will give you like an ombre effect. Now I'm trying to aim for like a smoky sunset type eye look with a blue liner. You'll see when we'll continue the look. Bright red shade and add that to the outer corner of my eye and just blend that out. Make sure everything looks very seamless and make sure that it has a nice transition from the orange to the red, and all the transitions look very seamless, and like I said before, a nice ombre effect, because we want to give it, like I said before, a sunset type look. I suggest to be very precise and take your time in blending. Blending is key to have the perfect eye look. My Suva Beauty eyeliner in tracksuit, I'm gonna do the perfect wing liner. Now it's very important to take your time. Like I said before, eyeshadow is a very precise task while doing your makeup, so I suggest to take your time and be very careful and precise, and with doing that you will get the nice results and the look that you were aiming for. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this look, and I'll catch you guys in a few. I'm gonna go in with my Milk Kush mascara to add the perfect base for my false lashes. I'm gonna go in with my Miss B lashes in short today in my lash line. DM me if you need some. And guys, I have a video how I do my lashes and how I do my eyebrows, so you check that out in the cards, loves. In the Jouer Ultra Foils, I'm going to take these two shades and apply that to my brow bone and in my inner tear duct to add the perfect touch of glitter and sparkle, because An eye always needs a touch of glitter, and I think the inner tear duct always needs a touch of brightness, if you know what I mean. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I did the rest of my makeup on another video. I hope you guys can check that out. Hope you guys enjoyed this eye look and remake it.